Hello and welcome to Non-Credit Math 5, Rates and Proportions. My name is Tanya Perrone and I am your instructor, and I'm going to go through the course to give you a run-through of what to expect so that way you can be successful. Here is the course landing page where you can find the course roadmap, the sections you need to complete, the quick links, and the instructor contact information. On the course roadmap, you will want to click on the course syllabus to read it entirely to get a great sense of the course content, expectations, and guidelines. Then you will want to go to the modules, which you can use the tab here in the course roadmap or the link on the left menu bar. When you go to modules, you will see all of the course content and information. You will see there is a text for the overall topic of rates and proportions. There is the 5 sections that you will need to complete. Within each section, you will see there is a text, some supplemental materials, which are the notes, videos to watch, and your homework assignment for each section. The text for each section is specific to the section topic. When you click on it, if you get an error message, do not worry. Just click on the text title in the top gray menu bar, and it will open it up in a new browser. This gives you the text for that specific section's information with all the examples. The text is to be supplemented with the additional materials, which are the notes. When you click on the notes, it opens in a Word document downloaded that you can open, print out, or even edit on the Word document to keep your notes. It goes through all the examples and notes for the section. Oops. Now within each section, there is also the videos. The videos are there to supplement the text and the notes to give you worked out examples for each topic. Once you have gone through the text and the notes and the videos, you'll want to complete the homework assignment, which can be anywhere from 10 to 20 problems. You will click Start to complete the homework. You can resume this at a later time. It does save your progress. For each question, you will attempt the question, hit Submit. If you get it wrong, you are able to do more attempts, as well as generate questions that are similar to it for extra practice. If you're struggling with the question, there are also videos for each question to help you with the question. Once you have successfully completed the homework, make sure you hit Done so that way I can grade it. Once you have completed each of the 5 sections, going through the text, looking at the notes and the videos, and completing the homework assignment, there is additional review and practice at the end that is optional. You do not necessarily need to complete it, but it will help you. The last thing you must complete for the course is the practice test. This is your check for understanding to show that you understand the material in the course. This is what I will use to give your pass or no pass grade. You will have a certain number of problems. Just like the homework, you will also be able to attempt multiple tries to be able to get the highest score possible. Once you have completed and selected Done, you are done with the course. I will be able to see on my side and give you a pass or no pass grade for the course and let you know that you are finished and completed the course. Once you have finished, you're more than welcome to sign up for other courses. As you go through this course, if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to reach out. The easiest way to contact me is through Canvas. You can also send me an email or send a message in the Q&A discussion. I wish you all the best of luck with this course, and